Yo, I really can't believe this, man. We're getting another classic Air Jordan coming out in 2025, and I literally called it on a live stream a couple of weeks ago. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys tap in. I just pretty much predicted the future, man. I gotta hit that like button for your boy DeVintage. Let's hop into today's video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. I know you probably just watched the 100K celebration video. Now we right back to work. We're talking about some upcoming heat we will be getting in 2025. And I thought 2024 was the best year for sneakers, but next year, oh my God, it's crazy, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy to mess on any videos, and leave a huge like on today's video, man. It'd be greatly appreciated. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. You guys see behind me, we're at 100K, bro. We try to get that 200 man to help your boy out. All right, so along with a bunch of other, crazy classic Air Jordan 1s next year, like the Bread 1 High 85s, like the Black Metallic 5s, like the Black Cat 3s. I can go on and on about the amount of heat we're getting next year. We're gonna be getting another classic one. If you guys been, not sleep on the rock, you've been checking Instagram, you've been checking Twitter, you know exactly what they are. And check them out, man. Here we have them. Next year, summertime 2025, we'll be getting the Air Jordan 4 white cement, guys. And this is so crazy, bro. I told y'all on a live stream, I said, yo, we getting the metallic 5s. We getting all these, OG colorways that, we probably should be getting recycled back. It does only make sense for Nikes who dropped the white cement 4s. So I had to go back, kind of scrub some live streams and put up on here. I called it, bro. Yep. Definitely super stiff. And even the Air Jordan 4 white cement 4s that dropped, them joints is super stiff that dropped back in 2016. We might get those again. Why wouldn't they drop the white cement 4s? We might get those again. It's been 10 years. Well, about 10 years. And the quality is terrible on them. So they got to come back, redo them things with some good quality. Boy, DeVintage called. I know it's a lot of people in today's video that was tuning into the live streams where I said, yo, it only makes sense for them to drop the white cement 4, guys. The best Air Jordan 4 colorway in a lot of people's eyes. I feel like it's between these and the Breads, but you'll be surprised on how many people will be taking these over the Bread Air Jordan 4s. And since I got y'all here, man, I can go ahead and comment which one you are taking. Is it gonna be the white cements or the Bread as far as the best Air Jordan 4 colorway? But like I said, it's usually between these two. I know a lot of people that really rock out with the white cement 4s a lot. I literally remember buying these like it was yesterday. It was Valentine's Day weekend. I think it was actually on Valentine's Day back in 2016. I stayed in line for like 4 or 5 hours and I secured the bag. And as you can see, man, they yellowed up, they aged. I've been rocking them for some years, but hopefully next year we get some better leather quality, because that's something that I feel like sometimes Jordan Brand lacks when it comes to mass-produced sneakers, rather than getting another, regular GR. It's something that we probably won't see ever again. But again, when it comes to the military blues, the quality is terrible. When we got the True Blue 3s back in 2016, the quality was terrible. And hopefully next year, the quality is 10 times better than the 2016 pair that we got in the Air Jordan 4 Bread. So shouts out to Soul Retriever for this information. I was kind of, seeing if it will be like a remastered or a reimagined pair of these Air Jordan 4s, but it's looking like it's just gonna be the Air Jordan 4 white cement OGs, which I'm not mad about at all. But hopefully, man, Nike, don't mess up the quality. Give us some nice buttery leather quality on the toe box, on, the entire sneaker, and you'll be A-okay in my books. Jordan Brand, don't mess this up, man. Do not mess this up. It's kind of hard to, but hopefully we get some nice leather quality on the 2025 pair of white cement 4s. So yeah, man, 2025 is loaded with drops, man. And I told y'all, bro, I thought I was done with shoes, coming into 2024, man. But we've been getting so many dope releases, and now we're going into 2025 with even more bangers. That's how they do you, bro. They give you about a good 5 to 6 year stretch of, just regular drops. And you come to around that 7th, 8th year, and Jordan like, yo, how can we get people to come back to revamp their love for shoes, their love for Jordans? And they figure it out every time, man. So 2024 and 2025, bro, it's probably gonna be the most sneakers that I've bought in a year in a while. And I also went on to say that we should be getting the Air Jordan 12 taxis, next year. But they scratched all that with dropping the taxi flip, guys, the red taxis or whatever they was calling them. we need the OG Taxi 12s along with a bunch of other colorways I can just name. I can go on a rant right now. The Gamma 11s, the Gamma 12s, the Cool Gray 5s, and I can go on and on with the drops that we should be getting. But Jordan Brand, you know, they got their own layout. They probably know 5 years from now exactly what we're getting on the exact date. That's just my assumption. If you work for Jordan Brand and Nike, y'all let me know, spill the beans in the comment section. And man, I had to literally come back in front of the camera and ask you guys a question. We kind of already did a video surrounding this topic, but since we're probably getting a revamped version of the white cement Air Jordan 4s, I want you guys to let me know which one do you think is the best out of the 4 OG Air Jordan 4 colorways. Of course, we got the Air Jordan 4 white cement, Nike Air on the back, just a super clean Air Jordan 4. A lot of people's favorite, like I said. Then leading into the fire red, guys. And these right here, bro, I feel like are the least favorite out of all of them, but you'd be surprised on how many people actually are taking the fire reds over every other Air Jordan 4. Then of course, the most recently released OG colorway, the industrial military blues. We don't call them industrials. We know these things is the military blues. So you have these along with the Air Jordan 4 Breds. This is a reimagined pair. But earlier in the video, of course, I showed you guys the 2019 pair that Jordan actually wore back in the day, man. So you guys let me know, bro. 4 dope colorways, and I'm just like, yo, thank you, Jordan Brand, for bringing out all these clean Air Jordan 4s. But you guys have to let me know which one you're rocking out with the most. And it feels up to me, I'm gonna keep it honest with you guys, it has to be the Air Jordan 4 Breds. It's just super reliable. You can wear it with a lot of different things. And like I mentioned in the early unboxing interview on feed for the Brand Reimagined, I'm surprised this is not how they came initially, because you gotta think, all the other Air Jordan 4s came with all of the uppers. There was no, you know, nubuck suede or anything like that. They all had that leather because he was rocking on the court. But for some reason, somebody had a bright idea to make them that nubuck suede material that they actually did back in, I think, 89, if I'm not mistaken, for those Breds, man. But you guys let me know which one's your favorite. I'm going with the Brand Reimagined, or the Breds, you know what I'm saying? But I can't wait to read you guys' comments in the comment section, man. Go crazy. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. White cement Air Jordan 4s coming back out with a bang. You already know your boy need another pair. I ain't gonna double up, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy, but I do need a fresh pair. Y'all seen mine is struggling right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boy, leave a huge like on today's video, and share this with another sneakerhead, because I know somebody out there that probably don't know what's going on. But shouts out to Soul Retriever, and I'm pretty sure Z Sneakerheads in the post as well. Sneaker Files, that we're gonna be getting the Air Jordan 4 white cements again. Hey, you just can't beat it, bro. Let's get it. Love y'all. Appreciate all the support, man. All that's been said, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.